Hello. This video demonstrates how to configure authorization profiles. In this video, you will learn how to create a user group in BMC Helix portal and assign users to a group. You will also learn how to assign a role to the user group. After setting up users and roles in BMC Helix portal, you can configure authorization profiles for user groups to access specific domains in Helix Capacity Optimization. Let us begin by creating a new user group. Go to BMC Helix portal. In the Common Services list, select Group Management. Click Add Group. Enter a name for the user group. For example, you might want to create a specific group of users that have access to all the resources in the Austin data center. Click Confirm to create the group. The group is now created. After creating a user group, you can add existing users to the group or create new users in the group. In the Common Services list, select User Management. Click Add User. For this demo, let us create a user, Bruce, and assign it to the newly created group. Enter the details for the user and confirm. This way, you can create multiple users. Now, let us assign the user Bruce to the Austin Data Center Planner group. Under Role Assignment, click Select. From the Groups list, select the group, and confirm the details. We have learned to create a user group, and assign a user to that group. Now, let us assign a role to the user group. In the Common Services list, select Role and Permissions. Notice that there are default roles in Helix Capacity Optimization. In this demo, let us select Capacity Planner, and click Edit. Under Role Assignment, click Select, and select the group that we created. All users belonging to the Austin Data Center Planner group will inherit the permissions of Capacity Planner role. Next, in BMC Helix Capacity Optimization, we will assign authorization profiles to the user group we just created. In the Administration tab, go to Authorization Profiles, and click Add Authorization Profile. We can see the group that we created. Let's select the user group, and assign the visibility of only the vCenter domains. All the users belonging to the Austin DC Planner user group will be able to see only the vCenter domains that we assigned. Let us save the authorization profile. The authorization profile is created. This way, our newly created user Bruce will only be able to see the vCenter domain when he logs into BMC Helix Capacity Optimization. Thank you for watching this video.